Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator on Crypto.com only ways. Open your Crypto.com app and sign in, then go to Settings and Security to find two-factor authentication. Select Google Authenticator and follow the on-screen prompts to scan the QR code or enter the key manually. Keep a backup of the secret key and enable verification to confirm the link, then test login to ensure codes work properly for your account. Open Google Authenticator and tap the plus icon, then choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key to add your Crypto.com account. If your camera has issues, use the manual key method and type it exactly as shown. After adding the account, copy the backup secret to a password manager or physical safe so you can recover access if you lose your device or switch phones later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long security setups, and it fits cup holders perfectly, making backups feel less dull. Check the description for the link and any current deals so you can grab one if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once Google Authenticator shows a 6-digit code for Crypto.com, enter it into the app to verify that the connection works and the account is protected. Next, enable any recovery features and save recovery codes or the secret key securely. Consider adding the account to a secondary authenticator device for redundancy so you can regain access quickly if your main phone is lost or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.